Welcome to our tutorial on how to receive push notifications for birthdays on Facebook using your PC. With the latest update, Facebook has made it easier than ever to stay connected with your friends' special days. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to ensure you never miss a birthday celebration again. First, open your favorite web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a bell icon. That's your notifications center. Go ahead and give it a click. Now, in the drop-down menu that appears, you'll notice 3 dots in the upper right corner. Click on those 3 dots to reveal more options. From the list that pops up, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize all your Facebook notifications. On this page, scroll down until you find the Birthdays section. Click on it to expand the options. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a toggle switch next to Push. Make sure this switch is turned on. But wait, there's one more important step. Before you can receive push notifications, you need to allow Facebook to send them. Look for the option that says Allow Notifications on Facebook under the These are notifications about your friends' birthdays section. Toggle this switch on as well. And there you have it. You've successfully set up push notifications for birthdays on Facebook using your PC. Now you'll receive timely reminders when your friends are celebrating their special day, giving you the perfect opportunity to send them warm wishes or plan a surprise. Remember, staying connected is what Facebook is all about, and with these birthday notifications, you'll never miss a chance to make someone's day a little brighter. Thanks for watching, and happy celebrating.